Hey everybody, welcome to Primetime Health TV. This is the home version. I'm Dr. Matt. This is Braxton. Can you say hi? That's Braxton, and we're sitting here eating breakfast. And I'm doing this because my wife Lauren, she's in the practice today. Tuesdays and Thursdays are days that she sees practice members. So it means Tuesday morning I am pulling full duty working with Braxton, or taking care of Braxton, or maybe he's taking care of me. Regardless, we are going to talk about breakfast and what we do with him, because I know there's a lot of questions when it comes to what you should be feeding your kid or not, and there's a bunch of different theories, and I'm not saying I'm correct or that we're right with this, but I'm going to share our 2 cents on why we do what we do, and then if you like it, then take it and use it as your own. So one thing we don't do is Braxton does not get a lot of cereal, actually none, he's never had it. No granola bars, none of that, no purees. He's eating whole foods, natural living foods that we try and keep in his diet, majority of it. Because our theory is at some point he's going to go to school, he's going to be around kids, he's going to get tons of junk food thrown his way, and there's going to be time for that. For right now, we want to start him as healthy as we can, instill these good habits, and hopefully over time, those will stick around and not be influenced as much as they could be by all the other bad decisions. Because the truth is, his generation, they're going to have to work about 3 times as hard as any other generation before them to be as healthy. So because of the quality of food, because of all the things that are happening now in terms of our environment, we have to work harder. And so we're doing our best to help Braxton start off on the right foot. What you see here is we've got some raspberries, some leftover with the eggs. He's been eating this, munching on this morning. And then he loves black olives. Black olives are his favorite treat. It's kind of funny, like the sugar isn't a big deal to him. What is black olives and broccoli, roasted broccoli. Those are his 2 favorite things to eat, which is probably a good thing. It's good that he likes that stuff. The other thing that we have here in this cup is some water with probiotics. So that's what we give him to drink and take care of the good gut bacteria in his body. Kids need it too, just like adults, and so this is a way that we get it to him. It's a little powder you put in the water. He likes how it tastes and it goes down real quickly and real smooth. So that's a breakfast in our house. Lunch and dinner look pretty similar. There's, again, whole foods, natural living foods, not a lot of processed foods, if any. He's had a little bread here and there in his life, but not much. Most of it has been gluten-free. He has rice every now and then, but again, not a whole lot. So that's pretty much the extent. Everything else is protein, fats, vegetables, things like that. All right, well, if you guys have questions and you're curious about specifics for yourself or your family, by all means, reach out to us, ask us. We'll be happy to help if we can. And I wish you guys a good rest of your day. Talk to you soon. Say bye, Braxton. Bye-bye.